The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois until 8 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Diamond, or near Wilmington, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Channahon, Minooka, Braidwood, Wilmington, Peotone, Manhattan, Diamond, Elwood, Lakewood Shores, Wilton Center and Simerton. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 248. Interstate 57 between mile markers 326 and 330. This includes Channahon State Park and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm